Good afternoon, this is Kyle at K-Man Trader, and today we're going to be looking at the daily pivot trade. I've got my chart all set up. We've got our 240-minute, our 120-minute, and our 60-minute chart, and then today we're looking at the pound New Zealand. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back and do some back testing, and we're going to be focusing on our daily pivot trades. And we're going to be primarily doing that with our 60-minute chart here. So I'm going to go ahead and flash back in time, okay? So I don't know what's coming. So each one of these lines is our daily pivot points, and the length of it represents a Forex day. So we're going to advance the chart to the beginning of a Forex day. Okay, and boom, there's the close of the first candle of the new Forex day, and we are below we're above our 240. We are below our daily pivot point, and we are below our our 40 EMA and above our 200 EMA. But as you can see, we've kind of been going up, but our rules indicate that we are going to do a buy trade because we are above our 200 EMA. So we're going to go from current price all the way up to our R1. We're going to put a stop loss down here at our S2. And let's advance the charts. Let's see where we go. Okay, climbing up, so close. Get it. And not quite. Actually, I'm going to zoom in a little bit, see the candles a little bit better. And all right, let's go back and let's take a look at this. So 1.99773 is our daily pivot point. And let's see where this candle goes. So the high of this candle right here was 1.99776, and we needed to go to 773. So we got above that, so we hit it. Okay, boom. That was how many pips? 93 pips. That's a nice trade on our pound New Zealand. So we're going to mark that 93 pips. Okay. And advance on. All right. So here we have close of the Forex day. Boom, new Forex day. Okay. We're going to go and do another buy trade. We are above our 240, above our daily pivot, and above our 40 EMA, all the way up here to R1. That is approximately 50 pips. Great. Okay, let's see what happens. Oh, let's put in our stop loss down here at our S2. Okay, came close, didn't hit it. Okay, we have a trade outstanding. So we're going to indicate that by big fat green line. We're going to mark it up. So we want our trade to come up here to close this trade back here. So, okay, new Forex day. And we're going to do another buy trade. Boom, boom. Okay, let's see where it goes. Close, didn't hit it. Ooh, came close, almost got that one. Okay, we got both of our trades. Perfect. Okay, so this one was 50, and this one was 55. Okay, perfect. I'll take that. So we'll come up here and mark it. This one was 50 pips. This one was 55 pips. Okay. All right, let's close this day. Let's delete this line so we can make sure our charts stay clear. Okay. All right, close and open a new Forex day. Let's mark it right there. Okay, we're still going to do a buy. We are above our 200. We are touching our 40, but we're right below our central pivot point. We're going to go up here to R1, do another stop loss down here at S2, and we're almost got it, not quite. Ooh, almost got it, not quite. Good. So trade's still open. And that's why we do our pivot points down there. We got to give our trade some room to breathe. Okay, coming up here, and let's see. Okay, close of new pivot trade day. Open a new trade. We're going to do another buy trade here from this point all the way up to R1. Stop loss down here at S2. And we're going to make sure we indicate that this trade is still open. So both of our trades are going up to the same point approximately. Okay. Okay, bouncing around. Ooh, came close, didn't hit it. Okay, close Forex day, new Forex day. Okay, we're going to do a sell trade here. Now, because we have two open trades, but that's okay because we trade small amounts, so not a big deal. So we're going to go down here and we're going to hit this weekly S1. Okay, boom. Okay, hit that pretty darn quick. From there to there, we had 96 pips. Okay, that's not that bad. I'm going to do 96 pips. Okay. And we're gonna leave these two trades open. So we've got out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, we've got a total of let's see, how many pips was that? Okay, so 93 plus 50 plus 55 plus 96. That's a total of 294 pips with two trades outstanding that are still going to be, still going to come back. So that that kind of concludes our video today. So if you got any questions, let me know. Thanks.